Yo Badwam TV Badwam so yadani te kotegwa se ni nkwanshan sama ebinada so odiama ye du so no Adom TV Badwam kase nti wadaroma se wo Go TV a channel no 119 DSTV so ye 280 YouTube so Adom TV tube ye hye na Facebook/Adom TV samne ne todwa mu bi ya wo betini custom division se wo ma fi wani sa aboa wo hwemu pa Womuhunu se binumo the fake document importers no womani eda ho pa wo sa kwan no so ye de honsam no ebebro na fe ye kwhwensam foforo mu ewo abonyenya ye no ewo nkwanta north wo timantamu womuhia maternity block ma pemfo no bre wo hono pa eno ne nsem bi ena no pay mere bro Adom TV Badwam kase media fia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den samni nchiremu etie Custom Division ya womo Ghana Revenue Authority say womani da hopa wani afi say aboa wo womo say importers no womo krakra niema ebe maimu bi de fake document no ni ade na edi wonjuma womo na make say womanya nipa mienu bi a womo ya saade ni bi no nanam so mo de sansemi atuja
of great concern and emerging practice where some declarants, that is customs house agents and the importers, connive with some shipping lines to falsify information on trade documents to obtain priority clearance leading to payment of lesser duties to the state. It's 10,155,136 cities just for one of the BOEs that were falsified. So if we are talking about 23 so far that we have gotten, we have not yet gotten into the details. I mean, we can't see that it's not a little amount. And
wonom gusua nhwehwemu se de beya wonom a wone sa fishing lines yi adwuma nyina no wobekire wonom na asotwe fata no wode ama wonom.
Now our system have information on all those, I mean, all the declarations that we are suspecting, and we are continuing with it. So we are looking out for more, and we are also proceeding to deal with writing demand or write demand notices to those who are owing, and also look at the criminal aspect and prosecute those who are involved.
Adishie ya womo ete abunyanya eno yokrokuma bi wonkwanta north wo timantamu de wadise to womra hwebedwanim Ora John Oti Kwabna Bless enimani mi yamfa no hunyim na maternity block bia wo munwie sie no anko wo meye mfama won na fe won pe emia hodo ma anesefo ye wo honom won bambo mu ni tichu num ni ade se be ya wadwuma wo ye e de ahwe adehia pomuden e wo kro no so no e be kwa anim ye emba no ye fe ye funu a ye bre papa Enti honorable okay bless wa be buaye ama yenya maternity ward no nso omunya nwie be ne ha ye no omunya nwie no mba nso omu fa yefunu omu wu nkwala ye nkwala yare ye yankasa ye yare ye basa benches say ye nibi na ye ntena so oba awoka na oba mpa ba kusa enidem
Abu nyanya ehene ensone Adom News nsentwofo kasa no wode adesede eto aban nanim ene omanfo a womo wobie se womo emeye omomoa
ntinka yesre se onye ntam na yansiesie ana obibia obetumi aboa se ye market man middleman any DC obia obetumi atunisa aboa na yebesiesie dan no
Assemblyman nso ede achedie ema omanfo ewiye no ono nso esande to mrahwebedwani owo mpatemu onanim se wonhwe se obetu asem no ho anamon
sane ohene kae se wonyire no ho na ombewie ade ne ntem no yeso yedi nkaiboyi ede bekwa koma no sane beya obeya ade ne ntem na aboa krom no nti onabo ete yenka yesre no se agima no sane ohene kae no ombewie ma yenmise obi a what yesu frena oyeden otie
TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwe ne mo kwa to yemantamu na soafo no eye kwabna ochirida komensa ene iwa pao enipa enkono so wonye nhwehwemu mfa nokwari site no a nkwanhia si ya ma bi ahwe won kwa ama bi nso apira e wo shama mansin mu Adom TV etwaso.
9-member committee made up of the Western Regional Coordinating Council, which will be chaired by the Chief Director, the Minerals Commission, the Ghana National Fire Service, the Ghana Police Service, the Ghana Health Service, Environmental Protection Agency, NADMO, Shama, the Works Engineer, Shama, and then the Assembly Member of the affected area. We are also giving them 3 weeks to present us a full report on the causes of the exploration and also to look out for other causes that we need to check in future. We also want to establish whether the company was up to speed with its own safety guidelines and licensing that they are supposed to go through. And we also would like to know whether the company had authorization to store those explosives. And then we also expect the committee to give us a recommendation to guard against future occurrences.
I am quite sinful soon. No, I am mentioning no back one district, one factory, no, one more any much of a pa, yes, and soon fear me and send ye. And yadi see you know, I hear you may be. Na mampani ani swade hunu na bota yene de wanu hu wo ho e wasa kwan no so a adoma ma ne bofo abapro etwaso
shepa o man panin ne na ban e de bae e fa no one district one factory edu ba bi no man panin so hu se e se mrante no munya adwuma ye no so ye bo om ti odi nhye foforo bi so ba ye friend enable one district one factory no youth no ye ha nipa 50 na owners of the factory. Our monosuba employ other people. Management in about nipa 15 and 38 municipal assemblies and omoye sa projects. Now share baby I do ya omoye nessa. Na kasa omba installation. I mean chadum the crater by and check. Omba installation of the machines and the transformer near so that from there in the factory no it take you off.
Otoaso ehwe mining crane say unya ahotoso fise brebi eni echiri no factory no ebehyasie
esi ano nyema mienu first nanka abedon ye hu adwuma but challenges kakraba ne owners no esia management na sia ene agree for ne adi na ya make 2 alternatives the piggy value chain and chili pepper until the for approval from Ministry of Trade. The transform the ba. The no mbejina so they be fix the machines be say adwuma.
Afeda modi amanboyi ifra sinfusu one day so one factory site and Adom kase.
So wani so ka kire nra wo Ashama market hodomo ni nyina ni gina hyan a na enua eguso a olusu control just say the balance na say kura dino so wo ko straight one so 10 years abe fanachi ngonwan. Any traffic here, one more can ni enso kache Alhaji Osman wono ena na di enuane free enkran kwanta ekwa Ashama timber marketer ekwa ye de ye ya na yesi ye ewo Adom TV kase etwaso
omo se kwan nya omo se da bia agent si wa ha omo se da bia sa problem no ha da bia enya me die na first ese dia si wa bro 10 o san ka mo hwe balance da ho total mo gu o mama ho na kwosoro di tam bia balance ho enti mi wura balance ni mana cha me spring ni bu ya na de kan ba bi ko mo se me de kan ba 10 cars
manfo bi a wotempotamu honom a ohunu ni a esiye no e de adesrede ato empanyinfo anim se wanya hyehyeye se de be ya daachi bi saa kwanhia ne biomu ensie
etu anu no hu se adane ba no ene otu ni na no enwan bi diri ni ataka bi ba no asera anya de enye plakese to tuole na moto no ka se ma ba ko so de esu ne ma okodi dwa oba odu na etu ni wi na ne ma ni nya de ebegu ase ne ma ni guase esi ayekese eni moto ne daase ba obi anu apply obi an ho anka
no be se be 5 na be sin tamu duru hape na obi a stop emla sa but when die sanse load na wo mu nti no aka se emla no pe na abani apana tie no epa ye na load na den e so fi kwa one side
Kwasi Adujemfi eye PRO ewo Ashiaman Metropolitan Assembly ochiremu
on that ebi fa Libano efa ha say kofa Jericho eko ena ebi susu fa akosombo road no so eko entino ha say mompa de say nua say ne de mi hu say bia fa ada cars akese no bia efa enuane no efa ha all right. But such load of itima trucks no bia na eni kwan se fa ha. Ya wo mo kan ni nyina no se fa ha ya assembly eni. Se fa so bia report the car se fa ho.
Adroba for ne dwadifo a wo mo fa nkwanta pasa kwantempo no so e wo poyemantamu no. Wo mo gusua de wakosam no tudwa kwan ni nyo kra. Kane mampani kofo breso na ne yete se din ne. Bepem ne ekwan gusua seya wo mo ne Adom TV kase adi nkomo srempanifo so o meye mawo
ekwan no yakwan nyina sei efri enkwanta ekopasa wa wo hwese de kwan aye a kase ne ebi aboho ebi kwa ne ma ne yayi enra anadwo be 12 ene yayi agu ho esi ya kase da kwan nyina tintim akam aposifo nyina aba ha aban so aba ha omampenya be dia kire so aba ha ni nyina omunya obi anka hwe ti extra by moa so ba ye moa ye kwan na mai
every year I have a son ya kwachi da bia ka timu da ebi mu hwehwe da ni awu sa na si every year mo ye hwen fam o mu twi kwan no but kwan no ye mrenti no so no to asa any problem I face ni o ka we mu me kwa akra
ndira no ka kira ban
emboa no na ye hwehwe free me wo if say I san ha me ton kotoko mu nyoma hwe ka bia hwe akotoko kogontewum ba ile kasa beans ni eyi kasa enti ha e bia odi nyoma ma ne nipa na obeton asawa ma ne usika ko ba ne sa na ska na aka ho nsa ma obi enti afeti ya e di business no so afeti e pa yesa na esika aka
ya me dama ne boye bra mi din ede obrempon kwa me osu Adom News nkwanta
Adom TV Badwam kase na o hware ne kokuma wo mra hwe badwafie mu se omoye kire na wo peso wo ye editia governor ya Woda Bank of Ghana ne mpanifo no hia ne ke ebeba so na nhihye ni nyina da na akwa mu wo de bosifo ye wo mu nyina bia nu a wo mu de tie so dogo bi nu abe ne wo makaso wo mbe ye na nu na wo mbe ye Adom kase etwaso.
Regional Command has wasted our 2.5 hours here because they have to take instructions from above. And I think that this is the height of a breakdown in our institutions in this nation. That the regional police commander cannot take a decision to tell the people where the security zone of the Bank of Ghana ends. We, on our part, has amended our route. We will change to start from Obra Square and go through the Adabraka, go through the Ministry Police headquarters, and then come all the way to come and terminate at the Bank of Ghana. They say they have a problem because the Bank of Ghana is a security zone. So we have asked them, where is the end of the security threats to the Bank of Ghana so that we can terminate them?
Eho ne beto dwa se dom kitwa no aya hoboa se nyame eya doma echina oye kire chenchiri ncha womo aye wona adwene se womo beye no eyade a womo ede be hihye so openi abede kire a ono ene da dom kitwa na no se okopie mu ewo mrahye bedwem a yima no ama kofi boa ene nsenchofo atwetwe nkomo no wodi to dwa se
the issues that they had which they articulated in their affidavit which they filed in court were one, they are afraid of a military coup. Two, that we're going to pass through Makola Market and they had objections. And three, that our destination is a security zone. We told them we are not unreasonable people. As for the coup, we don't prevent coups. The military are there, they should go and resolve those issues with them. But we have the right to demonstrate, and we will demonstrate.